Anybody want a pot of homemade chicken and noodles? Well, if you do, you're in the right place. Grab a hold of all these ingredients: onions, celery, carrots, all the seasonings, a rotisserie chicken. I use lemon pepper. You can use whatever you like. And I like the extra wide egg noodles. That gives me a feel of chicken and dumplings, because once this meal is done, it's going to be rich and creamy. It's going to be so good. So come on, y'all. Let's get this ball rolling. We're going to start out by sauteing our veggies, onions, green celery, and our carrots. And you want to get them kind of tender to taste. Get all your seasonings together and add them to your veggies. Okay, now let me just put this disclaimer here. I'm eyeballing everything, so I don't have measurements. You'll have to do that to taste. But all the ingredients are at the beginning of the video, and they will be in the description box below. All right, I'm adding about 6 cups of water. I didn't have chicken stock, but if you have that, by all means, that's even better. And of course, I have my liquid gold cubes. These are Knorr's Bouillon cubes. I love, love, love them. Use that in your stock. That's going to help you make your stock, I should say. And I'm using 2, as you can see. If you want more, you can add more if you like. Once you've stirred that in, then you're going to go ahead and add in your seasonings. Okay, now you're going to put a lid on your pot so your seasonings and your broth and your veggies can all marry together. So it'll be seasoned really well. And once you've done that, you're going to let that cook for about 15 minutes. Then you go ahead and add in your egg noodles. And I like to put a lid on top of my egg noodles and let them sit and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then once I've done that, I remove the lid and then I add my cream of chicken soup in there. All right, once you combine your creamy soup mix into your pot, you're going to put a lid on it and you're going to cook it until the noodles are very soft, kind of like a dumpling. If you prefer them not to be as soft, then by all means, you don't have to cook it that long. But if you want that dumpling effect, I would advise that you cook them until they're very soft. And also make sure you put the lid on top. Once your noodles and everything is soft, you see how that's looking, then you're going to go ahead and add in your rotisserie chicken and work that through, and then voila, it's all ready and you're ready to eat. Doesn't that look good? It's nice and thick and creamy. It looks like chicken and dumplings, doesn't it? But without all the hassle of making the dumplings. Then after the dumplings and everything is cooked, I like to squeeze a little lemon in my pot. That gives a little lemon flavor. It's good. Trust. It gives that, it takes it to another level. So try it out. If you don't like lemon, fine, but try it out. You won't be disappointed. We're all done. Now look at that. Doesn't it look good? The juice is nice and creamy, and it's got a little thickness to it. Oh, this is just to die for. Get you some cornbread and go to town.